Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift ka energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So we have here the Devil and the Six of Wands. Okay. So, Eight of Wands and the Chariot card. We also have here the Judgment and Two of Cups. And the King of Cups and the Two of Pentacles. Bottom card, the Fool. Nako. So, may kailangan mag-take ng risk. May two option ka dito. Maaaring sa love life ito, Capricorn energy, Cancer energy. Mukhang caught in, ka dito caught in the middle. Ayan, nagjo-juggling ka. Hindi mo malaman kung sino bang pipiliin mo. Two of Cups, Two of Pentacles. And we also have here, is this energy ng Capricorn and Cancer. So, maaaring, and Aries. Maaaring kayong tatlo to. Kung ano man ang sign mo dyan, caught in the middle ka between two person, maaaring yung mga signs nyo na malakas sa inyong birth chart, Capricorn, Cancer, and Aries. So, tingnan natin sa signs and symbol card. So, mukhang kailangan mo na mag-decide or nape-pressure ka na mag-decide about this. So, nagpakita yung traffic light. So, siguro, na nga, it's about right timing. So, naghihintay ka ng right timing. Tingnan natin. We have here the dull butterfly. So, mukhang may energy na naman tayo dito ng twin flames. So, we have here dull butterfly and fish. Light bulb, close book, and this last card, coffee. Ayan. So, yung bottom card, Clover, you're very lucky, ha? So, mukhang big fish tong mahuhuli mo dito. Ayan, isang malaking isda ang naghihintay sa'yo. So, lalo na kung you're in this twin flame journey, so, mukhang isa sa person dito is a karmic partner na malaking lessons ang pinagdaanan mo sa kanya. And now, you're in this spiritual awakening with this butterfly. So, kung nalampasan mo na itong mga karmic lessons na to, natuto ka na sa mga karmic lessons na to, and it's new light bulb dito na umiilaw-ilaw, new ideas, maring panibagong simula ito with the twin flame, with your divine counterpart. Ayan. So, marami na kayong maaaring mag-date kayo sa Valentine's Day nitong taong ito. So, tingnan natin. Or may pinaplano siya to have this date with you sa Valentine's Day. So, maaaring surprise ito or hindi mo inaasahan tong date na mangyayaring ito sa Valentine's Day. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Crystal Clear Intentions by Archangel Michael. Be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. So, siguro, ayan, inisip mo na wala kang gagawin sa Valentine's Day. Tapos, iniisip mo na sa bahay ka lang, ganyan, or trabaho ka lang, or after ng work, uwi na agad, wala nang out, wala nang date, wala nang ganun. So, hindi ka na nag-expect. Pero magugulat ka na lang dito na, may date ka pala sa Valentine's Day. Wow, 'di ba? So, nananahimik ka diyan sa Gedli, tapos biglang last minute, no? Parang nasa bahay ka lang or Valentine's Day na ng gabi or nakauwi ka na, afternoon, tapos biglang susulpot tong taong to ask you out in a date. Coffee date, ganyan. So, unexpected date ang mangyayari sa Valentine's Day. So, tingnan natin sa tarot messages, oracle cards. So, we have here, unang bungad pa lang, parang seryosohan na to, parang, wag na natin patagalin pa, direct to the point, I want a family with you. Ganun yung mga offering, ha? Tingnan pa natin. So, we also have here, wow, I will fight for you. So, talagang willing siya mag-take ng risk para sa'yo. 'Di ba, bihira na yung mga ganyan tao, yung talagang desidido sa'yo, sigurado sa'yo, na all eyes on you, na talagang ikaw yung gusto niya, wala ng iba. So, yun ang magandang ano, kumbaga may ano ka, sure na sure ka, may reassurance ka sa taong 'yan. So, we have here, can we talk? So, yung maaaring ito yung unang bungad niya. So, puwede na maaaring bisitahin ka niya, mag-usap kayo, tapos puwede ba tayong mag-usap, ganyan, or to have a date, ganyan, coffee date, tapos tsaka niya sasabihin sa'yo na, "I want a family with you." Diretsahan 'to, ayan. So, you complete me, so maaaring sa'yo niya nakita yung missing puzzle na hinahanap niya, feeling betrayed, so maaaring parehas kayo galing sa, betrayal past relationship. So, I'm isolating myself to reflect. So, after siguro ng break up with this past person or yung mga karmic lessons nyo or karmic partners ninyo in the past, parehas kayo nag-isolate, nakaka-relate kayo sa pinagdaanan ng isa't isa. You're so sexy and feeling left out in the cold. So, may mga ghosting energies din dito and I'm willing to take the risk. So, yun na nga, no? Talagang willing siya mag-take ng risk para sa'yo. Wow! O, 'di ba marami na namang magsasana all sa napakagandang reading na ito. Ayan, so let's see more messages for this very wonderful reading. Naka. So we have here, I want you. Talagang derechahan. I want you. So parang tatanungin mo siya, bakit ako? Bakit ako yung gusto mo makadate this Valentine's Day? Kasi gusto kita. Derechahan to, ganyan. 'Di ba? Direct to the point. I want a family with you. Mga ganyan. So, finding out the true crush miss. Kumbaga, wala ng kuskus balungos, wala ng ano, patumpik-tumpik pa, wala ng paikot-ikot pa, diretsa na, diretsa kung diretso, 'di ba? So, 'yun ang maganda, hindi ka nabibigyan ng mixed signals or hindi ka na ibe-breadcrumb pa diyan. Kumbaga diretso prito na, wala ng breadcrumbs diyan, 'di ba? So, I bury myself in work to forget you. So, siguro 'yung dati iniwasan ka rin nito, kasi, na-intimidate 'to, ganyan, or feeling niya hindi kayo or hindi ikaw or hindi mo siya magugustuhan, mga ganyan. Marami siyang, iniisip din, eh. So, you don't know how hard it was to let you go. So, ayun, umiwas nga ito. I'm so attracted to you. I hope that you can forgive me one day. I know that I crossed the line with you. I wish things could be different and I love you. Oh, 'di ba? I want you na I love you pa. Oh, 'di ba? So, talagang direct to the point 'yan sasabihin sa na bakit? Eh kasi gusto kita. Eh bakit nga ba? O mas more questions pa kasi nga mahal kita. So yun, yun yung mga diretsahan na sagot niya sa So kuha tayo ng initials natin. Parang no more question, oo, hindi na lang, ganun. We have here XC, I, oo, hindi. Parang minamadali. A, nagmamadali ka ba? O, N, Noah, J, Y, N, B, letter E, U, and F. Bottom card, okay? So, kuha tayo ng blue card natin dito. So, we have here courage. So, ang tagal niya itong inipon ha, yung courage na yan. Wow, talagang desidido siya to have this marriage with you in the future and true love. Romance of a lifetime. Oh, 'di ba? Once in a lifetime opportunity. So, tingnan natin sa general signs and the messages. So, we have here Luzon, South PH, South South Luzon, ayan, need more signs. So, damihan daw natin to kasi maraming signs ang kailangan nito eh. So, we have here practical. O, maaaring ayan galing kayo ng karmic relationship parehas. And quiet person. So, mga keywords na lang to, hindi na natin kailangan i-explain. May, November, may other country, Scorpio. Number 2. Oh, we have here 2, 2 and 2. Ayan, tatlong 2. Angel number. So we have here full of charisma. Coins is Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, attractive, runner. Number 4, Capricorn, patience please. So ayan oh, konting pasensya na lang ang hihintayin. So we have here fantastic friend, mountain card, Visayas. So itong mountain card natin, maaaring parehas kayo na goal-oriented. So focus on the goals. Pero ayan, mukhang may mga na-achieve na naman siyang goals. So mukhang isa ka sa goals niya, ganyan. So we have here, oh, 'di ba? Lakas, twin flame. And last card is kind-hearted. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.